Hello, my dear friends. I hope that you are fine. To improve your English, please read these sentences in this video very carefully and fill the blanks with suitable articles. Suitable article means a, an, the, or no article. No article means there are some places where there is no need of article. The correct answers are given at the end of this video. Therefore, you will have to be patient till you read the end of the article, and there you can see the article, all the answers for this. Thank you and make much of your time. Okay.